Okay guys, hello, welcome back to another video. So anyways, look and what's they brought in, and the weather is looking fabulous today. And why my hair is down? Okay, so I just made them down because I didn't touch them. I didn't knock them over. I didn't knock them over. But the main matter is about this weather. And you can see everything is fine and it's good rainfall going on. I think we should go in there and okay. So let me show you this weather. And anyways, but it's